Hello guys, so today we are going to implement a third party library, that is the Mongo C++ library in Unreal Engine. So let's get started how we can implement this and use that code to in our Unreal project. So first you need to download that Mongo C driver, Mongo CXX driver, and then you have to install that. Here it's given that how to install that Mongo CXS driver and everything. Just go through this and after that installation you will get these two files. So one is CXX and C driver. So in this, after the CMake build, you will get a lib and include files in both of the uh, folders. See here. So you don't need to worry. I will give all the lib and include file whatever you need in a Google Drive and paste the link in the description or in the comment section, so you can take it from there. So mm, once you get that lib and include files, you need to first create a plugin, because for using any third party library you need a plugin to use that. So go here in the plugin and add a new plugin. Use any plugin, don't use third party library. You can also use a blank plugin also. So after creating a plugin, you can see that see there is a plugin section under which your created plugin will shown here. So you need to do two three things. So first you have to copy that yeah, see here is all the libs file. These libs, that Mongo 6 driver under lib, and here also there are some libs are given. So you need to copy that into that plugin name, source, and then plugin name. So here you need to paste all the libs. So there are also Firebase lib. Don't see that, just see that all the Mongo libs are there. So after that you need to do one more thing, that is take that include file and also Mongo CSS include file and paste it in the it here in the Mongo C folder, like this include, and Mongo CSS folder there is Mongo CSS include file. So once you do that, then you have to do one more thing that is left. That is, you have to paste DLL files in the binaries. So here in the binary win64, and see here are four DLL files, which is also you can get it from there. You if you can search like DLL, yeah, see Mongo basin.dlx and that Mongo yeah, mongo.dll also are there. So all the things you can find in these things, and after that you will paste that DLL also. You need to do one thing. Go in the see here we can see the plugin, and go under this, and here you can find yeah, see here all the libs are there, and there is a C# file, that is build.cs. Under this you need to add two things. So first you need to add these things, and you have to add all the libs here. One more thing, we we can see that here we have a static lib also, so we are not going to use static. So that's why we didn't add static lib here. So after adding these libs, you can tell the path of the include files also. So these two you have to add, not this. You don't need to add this. This is something else, and you also don't need to add these things. So just add these four thing and these two thing. So after that you have to build the project w- uh, and in the, yeah, in the project also you need to delete the save intermediate and binaries file, and again in the plugins you have to delete intermediate but not binaries. In binaries you have to manually delete some of the things, not that DLL part. So after deleting this, just simply right click and generate Visual Studio project, and then you can open it and then build, and you can see that you are able to use include file anything you want. So like here I am using see here I'm doing hash include basin .cxs and all thing, and here, yeah, okay, so now you can see that we are able to use that Mongo things in our Unreal Engine project. And if you want to use it, if you want to make a function which we can use anywhere, you can make a blueprint function library and create that functions here, so that you can use it anywhere with the static keyword. Yeah. Yeah, so that is how we can implement a third party library with dynamic linking in our Unreal Engine. Uh, so we'll meet you in the next video.